Question 22. If P is prime and N is even such that P plus N equals 47 and P multiplied by N equals 210, what is the value of N? So we're told in the question P plus N equals 47. We're also told that P, and I'm going to put a multiplication symbol in here just to make it very clear that that's P multiplied by N is 210. We know that N is even. We're told that in the question. Therefore, P has to be odd, because if this is even, this is an odd number, P has to be P must be odd. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to think, well, okay, if I've got P and I know that Pn, and then we'll go P plus N, and we'll go Pn. The best way for me is to do this is trial and error. So I'm just going to write down my first prime numbers. It's not a 2 because because P must be odd, so therefore we've got 3. Next prime number is 5, 7, and the one lots of people think it's 9. It's not. The next one's 11. So I've put down on paper the first prime numbers. We need to find an N, and therefore I'm going to work out what that N needs to be, because I know that P plus N equals 47. So I know this. I also know, just while I'm here, Pn has to equal 120. Okay, so this is where I'm heading for, and I want to check this number out at the end. So if we've got P is 3 into here, which means that N has to be 44. We've taken that into consideration. And then we multiply these two together. $122. Not what we want 120. It's not 120, is it? It's 210, sorry. 210 up here. This has to be 210. Okay, I thought it was really close then. That was a bit of a shock. Right, so 122, that is not 122, so therefore it cannot be, P cannot be 3, N cannot be 44. So P is 5. P is 5, therefore what plus 5 is 47. So we've done this. Now we're doing aha, we have got our answer. And the question says, what is N? N equals 42. And there is no need to go any further.